Kaseng kebadon hakaliang persya aha kayin rebar tauan hakani kejela kaseng Kongres hakani ketayo kala kentok jurbiang ia ke Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kabla lam khmat da kaseng National People's Party dak ba kentok ru ba ka de ke Sarkar ka ba ka jingbam sap ke jurbha ia kani ke jing penpau la penpau da wen ke MLA jong kaseng Kongres u Zenith sangma haka jinge kendu ba Kynnoh pathai kubor haka khat santrik menta ubenai no pra arhajar arpho
Haga jinge kran bagi nong pathai kubor haga negesngi ha Kongres Bhavan Shillong kawai kabau Zenith sangma ula kenok persya ka dehelor kejing kenok lum khajna be-aiñ daga Garo Hills Autonomous District Council ha kesurok ba National Highway Ban Ruphong daga ba kenok ru be kenega kamlale ru para trai jong ka kurim u Myntri Rangbah kejela usanje e sangma Katkum kejing kenok Zenith sangma laong ba ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kala dawa khajna be-aiñ ne Trok ke Dewiong ha kedor hapreng sanspa haduk syahajar tengka na ko be Trok Haka bau loong ru bakane kelong be-aiñ namar omdon ki kendon jongki Autonomous District Council banle kania. Namar bak Sarkar jela kaya sami kane khajna batki Autonomous District Council. Zenith sangma ulia thoru bahadian kania ke jinglum khajna be-aiñ. Wala kiladon ki brio jongka District North Garo Hills ki blu ujor kania sha u Deputy Commissioner batna kaliang u Deputy Commissioner ula pentip ru kania sha Superintendent ki pulit. Hendrai kamadian alap la senran sendon ya ki balum khajna da ki pulit. Nalor kani ke jinglum Pisa daga Garo Hills Autonomous District Council Zenith sangma kani ke si ulah kran ru halor ka jingbam pat yo tulap kinong trei jongga GHADC mentala lai po benai ha ka ba ulah bo jingkli bakumno kinong trei kinim kumju kinong hikai school SSA ke baklam yo tulap mentala palat so benai bat ki beli kitana Nalor kini baro Zenith sangma ulah kentok jorru ke Sarkar MDA halor ka jing deko trei kam jongka MEECL ka balakit ram menta Zenith sangma ula kena oru bakani ke Sarkar MDA ka pendon kam ya ke MEECL na kebenta ke jing mentoy jong ke badan ha ke Sarkar. Halor kini baro na kaliang nu MLA ke seng Kongres hakani ke sengi ula kena oru bale ase ki seng reulum ki bakarsa na ke Sarkar ki yo bahak lang. Lem kumta bale kim kren AA halor kini ki jersey baro ha ke Sarkar. Banwara ek jingkala katanat MEECL na kaliang keseng Kongres sakani kesngi kala dawana ke Sarkar bagade bantung no aka kerdan chairman but managing director daw officer ubah ya ke kerdan omduna ya ke kerdan additional chief secretary
Minister's family and their relative in extortion and corruption has once again surfaced and exposed. One, Mr. Sanjay A. Sangma, who is the own brother of Chief Minister's wife, has been indulging in extortion in NH 62. The GHADC arbitrarily issued a order in the pretext of collecting monopoly tax from the coal trucks, coal monopoly on the NS 62. Now my question is, under which provision of the law the GHADC has issued this order, whereas the GHADC is getting its share of the royalty when through the state government. So it is very, very illegal, and it's a height of the greed that is being reflected from the actions of this was collected from yesterday onwards. It has been increased to 1,000 per truck. So our people, some of the responsible citizens from the North Garo Hills, they had made a complaint before the Deputy Commissioner of North Garo Hills, and the DC concerned has endorsed it to the SP concerned to take necessary action. Whereas after the complaint was received, rather these people were collecting money from the coal trucks illegally under police protection. This is the state of affairs in our state. Very unfortunate. These people will not be forgiven by the people of the state. People will not forgive them. So it is high time all the friends from the regional parties should take a conscious decision and act on it accordingly. So as far as the MSL is concerned, we once again demand that at least not below the rank of additional chief secretary should be appointed as the CMD, chairman and managing director of the MSL, and proper inquiry be done and the management should be streamlined at the earliest.